Everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you guys what I made today. Now, I normally do earrings. You guys, like, you know, I normally dabble in the earring department. But something told me to try to do some necklaces. So I've been doing some necklaces, some beaded necklaces, and I think they came out so nice. I wanted to share them with you. Let me grab my camera, y'all. Alright, you guys, so that's a little bit better. So, yes, this is a set. The earrings, I did like two necklace sets. I did like one of them is like a choker, one of them is a little longer because that's like my favorite thing to wear when I do necklaces. I love like the little shorter necklaces. So I did, of course, the matching earrings. And like I said, that is like the little chakra stone gem, I don't know what it's called. So moving on to my colored ones, you guys. Okay, so this is the first set that I made, and this is what actually got me into creating it, because I wanted a necklace that was colorful to match my beanie. And so this one is the one that started this whole thing, this whole ordeal. And I love those earrings. Like, they are so simple, but they are so cute. And then, of course, I had to do, you know, a pink and like a pink and iridescent. These are like iridescent seed beads with the earrings. And then over here, I love wood. So my daughter was like, you know, use purple. And so, of course, what looks good with purple? Gold. So I just want to come on here and show you guys what I made. Switching it up, y'all, doing something different. Y'all. If you would like for me to do a video on how I did these, I'd be more than happy to share that with you guys. But I just wanted to, you know, come on here and show you guys, hey, y'all, step out of your comfort zone, do something different. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the colorful one. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I made these using both the elastic and the non-stretch cords. Look at that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then let me put an earring in so you can get a feel for what it's looking like. Let me see. Come on, earring. Go in. Y'all, my daughter had these earrings in earlier. Okay, there we go. I think it's, I love the earring. The earring is super cute. Small, simple, not too much. You know, just a little cute set. Just a little cute set. Nothing too much. You know, just for a little simple day. Simple day. Let me put the other one on. Let's put this one on. I probably should have put my hair back in a ponytail doing all this stuff. Okay, you guys. Yes, not bad. Feeling it. It's so simple. You know, it's a lot more calmer and toned down from my big, huge earrings that I'm used to. So, like I said, I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone, do different stuff. As you guys know, I've been dibbling and dabbling in like some candles and wax melts and all that. So, yeah, I love these sets. So, again, if you guys would like to know how I created these, I'd be more than happy to do a video. But I wanted to show you guys. I would love to know what you guys been up to today. Shoot, y'all, because it's Monday. Usually, I'm not going to lie, usually nobody does anything on a Monday. I mean, Monday, nobody want to work. Everybody is still getting over from the weekend. So, I would love to know what you guys made and created today. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.